Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and locate family iPhone. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. All you need to do is firstly enable your family location sharing before and then only you can after that you can locate your family iPhone. Simply go ahead and head into your settings, and once you're in here, simply go ahead and look for family. So simply go ahead and tap on that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and add your family members first right over here through their invitations right over here. Or you could also simply go ahead and have them simply share their location right over here. As you can see, it says not sharing with family. Make sure that it is on share your location with your family. And now what you can do is simply when you open Find My and tap on People, it's going to show you your family members right over here. You can select them from here and check their location. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the